Jam berapa, Sar? Kurangnya. Assalamualaikum.
You're so irreplaceable, and everybody knows I want you, but I've always been so invisible to you. But I'm just waiting on you to pull back the curtains, and I've been standing on the sidelines waiting till the time's right to make it mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Your imagination is chasing after innocent love, but I've been
Sudahlah.
Ya, bangunlah.
Oh, bangun nggak jajan?
Bangun, lahiri bangun.